Good morning, students. Take out the textbook and notebook. Running notes. Take your textbook, children. In yesterday's class, I explained exercise 3.2 first second bits. Okay. Now, third bit. What is the third bit? Write down, children. Write in your note. On your radios. Sit properly. Side of it. Sit right. N. Ritika. On your radio. Revil Sanjay. Meghana. Aditya. Sana. Ritika. Sanjay. Meghana. Okay, very good. Okay, compare each pair of decimals. Each pair of decimals given below. And write which one is larger in each pair. Larger in each pair. Larger means greatest, largest, biggest. In given two decimals, which is the biggest one? Okay. You choose the biggest one. First one, 0.4 and 0.7. In this page, this decimal page, which one is largest decimal? Which one is largest decimal? 0.4 and 0.7. Which is largest? 0.7. 0.7 is biggest decimal. Very good. Next, second one. 0.5 and 0.9. In this, which is largest? Yes, 0.9. 0.9 is largest and biggest decimal. Next, third one. What is third one? 1.2 and 1.1. 1.2 and 1.1. Which is largest? 1.2. Very good. Okay. Third bit. Remaining problems, try to your own children. The remaining one. Same, all mixed decimal only. From these decimals, which pair is, which one is given pairs, which one is biggest decimal? Write down. Okay. Did you understand? Bhavya. Did you understand, girl, this bit? How can we write? Okay, very good. Next, fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Compare each pair of decimal given below and write which one is larger in each pair. Same bit, children. Same questions. Compare each pair of decimals given below and write which one is like third bit only. Larger in each pair. First one is 5.4 and 4.8. 5.4 and 4.8. In these two decimals, which one is largest decimal? Which one is biggest decimal? Say anyone. Yes, 5.4. Very good. Point after 8 is there, so don't think like that. 5 is whole number. Yes, 5 is whole number. In these two numbers, which is the biggest number? Here 4 whole number is there, here 5 whole number is there. So in these two numbers, 5 is biggest number. That's why we have to take 5.4 is biggest decimal. Okay? Did you understand, children? Largest decimal is 5.4. Next, second one. 0.48, 0.72. In these two decimals, which one is biggest one? Yes, 0.72. Very good, Nirma. Largest decimal is 0.72. Next, third one. 8.40 and 8.04. 8.40. 8.04. See here, 40 is there, here 04 is there. In these two numbers, which is the biggest one? Yes, 8.40 is largest decimal. Very good. Remaining, try to your own. Okay, write your own, children. Next, fourth one, 7.007. 7.007. Next, 7.070. 7.070. See, children, here. Here 0, here 0. Here 0, here 7. So, which is biggest one? Say you only. Yes, very good. 7.070. 7.070 is largest decimal. Did you understand, children? How can we write biggest one and smallest one? Did you understand, Sana? Iskila. Yes? Did you understand, girl? Okay, very good. Write down. Next, now I will say fifth bit. when I am explaining, listen children. Okay, when I am explaining, listen carefully. Why? Because afterwards we are sending pics. So then you complete and try to your own remaining problems also. Okay, listen carefully. Next, fifth bit. What is fifth bit? Complete the following. Following by writing one of the correct symbol greater than, less than in the box given between each pair of decimal. First one is 0.5, 0.51, 0.32, 0.23. Okay. See children here. Complete the following by writing one of the correct symbol. Which symbol? Greater than or less than? Greater than or less than? In the box given between each pair of decimal. Each pair of decimal. See here first one 0.5 and 0.51 is there. So in these two numbers, which is the smallest one? Which decimal is smallest one? 0.5 is smallest one. So very good. We have to keep less than symbol. Less than symbol. First number, smallest number is there. We have to keep less than. First number, biggest number is there. We have to write greater than symbol. So first here we can write less than. 0.5 less than 0.51. Okay. Next 0.32 and 0.23. Yes, very good. Greater than 0.32. 32 is biggest number and 23 is smallest number. So we can write here greater than. I hope you understand this one, this bit. Okay. Remaining one, try to your own. Okay. Okay, children. Akshita. Bodpal Akshita. Did you understand that? Akshita. Yes? Be regular, Amma. You some days absenting. Okay, next, sixth one. Sixth one is arrange each group of decimals given below ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means, do you know ascending order? What is the ascending order? Udayasri, what is the ascending order? From smallest number to biggest number. That is ascending order. Next, descending order. From biggest to smallest. Okay? Arrange each group of decimal given below in ascending order the descending order. Okay, first one is 7.5 and 8.4. It's 5.6, 9.2. Okay, 6.3. Children, already you know which one is smallest one, which one is biggest one. Which decimal is smallest one, which decimal is biggest one, you already know. So, you can write ascending order and descending order also. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest. Descending means from biggest to smallest. Ascending order first. Ascending order first. Whole numbers. See here whole numbers. 7.5, 8.4, 5.6, 9.2, 6.3. In these numbers, video clear only, boy. Here, I think your network problem. Once you check. Okay, first here whole number 7, 8, 5, 9, 6. Which is the smallest whole number? First smallest numbers. First small whole numbers. You have to see first whole numbers. You compare whole numbers. Point before numbers. 7, 8, 5, 9, 6. In these numbers, which is the smallest one? 5.4. So first 5.6. Next one is 6.3. Next one 7.5. Next 8.4. Next 9.2. Okay. Next 9.2. This order is called ascending order. Very good. This order is called ascending order. Okay, next descending order. Say descending order. Descending order means biggest, from biggest to smallest, from biggest number to smallest number. So first in this numbers, biggest number is 9.2, 9.2, 8.4, 7.5, next 6.3, next 5.6. Okay, did you understand, children? Ascending order and descending order. Shruti, did you understand? Manda Shruti. Okay, very good. Okay, next one more I will explain, children. Now I will explain fifth one. I am not explaining second one, fifth one. Fifth one I am explaining. Remaining try to your own. 12.48. 12.48. Next 12.08. 081. Next 12.84. Next 12.326. It's 12.098. First, see children here, in all decimals, whole number is 12 only. Okay? 12 is whole number. In all decimals, 12.48, 12.081, next 12.84, 12.2326 and 12.098. In these numbers, which is the smallest number? First ascending order. Say children. Right? Okay, first ascending order. First ascending order. Wrong now. 12.884 and 48 is not first smallest decimal, not smallest decimal. First 12 after, where is that 0 once you observe? 12 after, in which decimal started 0? Yes, here 12.081 and 12.098. In these two numbers, first which is the smallest number you find out? 12.081. 12.081 is smallest number. 12 after, point after 0 is there. But here, point after 4 is there. 0 and 4 you compare. Which is biggest one, which is smallest one? Yes, 12.081 is first smallest number. Write that one first. 12.081 is smallest decimal given these decimals. Okay, next smallest decimal is 12.098. Okay, 12.098. You don't see like that. You are saying only point after 3 numbers are there. You are thinking like that. But you don't think like that. Point after which number is there? First you have to think that one. Point after here 4 is there. Here 0 is there. Here 8 is there. Here 3 is there. Here 0 is there. This is the smallest number. You have to think like that. Okay? 12.098. Next smallest number. Next, these two numbers completed. Next here, point after 4 is there, 8 and 3. In these numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, point 3 is smallest number. So 12.326 is next smallest number. 326. Next one is 12.48. Next is 12.84. Okay? Don't think 3 digits and 2 digits. Digits, you don't think like that. First, point after which number is there? Point after which number? Point after which number? Here 0 is there. So 0 is the smallest number. All numbers are, whole numbers are, in all decimals, whole numbers are 12 only. So leave it 12. Point after, you see. You observe after point which digit is there, which number is there. Okay? In 10th place, 0 is there. Here 10th place 4 is there. Here 10th place 8 is there. 3 is there. 3 by 10. 0 by 10. 0 by 10. Place value is 0. So that is only smallest number. Okay, now descending order. Did you understand? How can we compare the numbers? Now descending order. 12.84, next 12.48, next 12.326, next 12.098, next 12.081. This order is called descending order from biggest to smallest. Asjad, look at the board. Listen board. Don't write, Nana. Don't write. Wait. Listen here. Okay. Shall I say one more from this bit? Shall I explain? Okay, one more I will explain. Okay, now I will explain. Fourth one. 5.8, 5.808, 5.08, next 5.888, next 5.818. First, ascending order. See once first here, whole numbers all 5. Next, in 10th place, 8, 8, 0, 8, 8. So, we can write first 5.08, 5.08. Next, next one is 5.8. First one completed. Next, second one also completed. Next, see here 100. Next, 5.80, 5.88, and 5.81. So we can write 5.08. 808. Next, 5.818. 5.888. Now you can write descending order. Okay, write descending order your own children. Next, remaining problems also try to your own. Okay, next in tomorrow class I will explain exercise 3.3. Okay, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. Okay, no doubt. Very good. Okay, if you have any doubt in evening time also, you call me. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Gangapuram Charan. Sit properly, boy. Sit properly.